Welcome back to AceMovi channel. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe our channel and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Go ahead and comment down below that more tutorials you'd like to see from us. Today I'm gonna show you how to add sound effects to video with AceMovi. First, let's click the import to import your video and add it to the timeline. Second, preview the video, and add the marker to the position you want to add sound effect. It can save your time while adding the sound effect. Then go the left. Click the audio, in sound effects. You can click it to listen the sound effect, and decide to add which one to the timeline. Thirdly, when you add the sound effect to the timeline, you can adjust it according to the video, like change the speed and duration of the sound effect. Just right-click the sound effect, and you can find it here. Or you can go to the right, you can adjust the volume, pitch, fade in, fade out, denoise of the audio. Move down here, you can also change the equalizer of the sound effect, choose the different style. After that, let's click play to preview all the sound effects. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.